Welcome to Scenario Fulfillment. I'm Dash89er, and this is the AC-130J, nicknamed Ghostrider. Created by Lockheed Martin, it was built to replace the aging hotel, uniform, and whiskey variant AC-130s. The Ghostrider underwent testing and evaluation in June of 2015, and its first squadron, the 73rd Special Operations Squadron, was created on February of 2018, and was officially deployed in July of 2019. Pushing this beast is 4 Rolls-Royce AE2100 D3 turboprop engines, each providing 4,700 shaft horsepower, giving it a speed of 362 knots and a range of 3,000 miles. But its range can also be increased with its aerial refueling capability. The primary mission of the AC-130J is to provide close air support with its precision, low-yield munitions against ground targets, such as troops in contact and convoy escorts. Also air interdiction missions, dealing with targets that aren't an immediate threat to disrupt and delay the enemy. Helping accomplish its mission is its 30mm GAU-23 and its howitzer, with its ammunition being capable of air bursts. Now you may think this sounds like your everyday AC-130, but no. The Ghostrider was modified with the Precision Strike package, giving it the ability to carry the accurate laser or GPS-guided AGM-176 Griffin missile and AGM-114 Hellfires. Helping train these weapons to targets are its 2 electro-optical infrared sensors, along with the advanced fire control and communications equipment. The true brains of this aircraft wouldn't be complete without its highly trained crew. The Ghostrider is slightly armored to protect them and their oxygen supply. It also has fire-suppressing foam in its fuel tanks to prevent an explosion. Things that would likely cause these explosions are missiles. If the Ghostrider was ever engaged by missiles, it is equipped with chaff and flares, and the AN/AAR-47 missile approach warning system. This detects the missile smoke plume approaching the aircraft. This is critical for those low-altitude operations. Other defenses include the ALR-56 radar warning receiver and ALQ-196 low-frequency jammer, with everything mentioned costing this aircraft to be approximately $165 million. Currently, the United States Air Force plans to have 37 of these beasts by 2024. The AC-130s have seen action since the Vietnam War. Its ability to orbit and loiter around the battle space and give serious firepower for troops on the ground makes this aircraft a force to be reckoned with.